What's going on, guys? We out here with the boy Kevin.
What's up?
We're doing a Mishimoto radiator, fan shroud, and hoses install. And here's the radiator. We got the fan shroud right there. Then the hoses. And at some point later I'll be doing these heater hoses back here, but I'm not going to be doing that yet. So far we have the radiator drained out, and right now Kevin's getting into pulling the bolts so he can yank the radiator right out. So yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
So yeah, Kevin, take a gander. We're on TV.
How's it going?
We're on TV, bro.
I'm just gonna set those there. Just use them. Lower red hose. Here we go. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Sprayed me a smidge.
How's that?
That sucks. Fuck.
Damn.
That's not fun. Yeah, no, literally, this thing could pop out.
Yeah? Yep. Oh shit. Alright, well hey.
Oh, other than the shit holding the AC lines on. Forgot about that. I need 10 mil for that. Oh, they are crusty. Oh yeah. That's a crusty motherfucker. Oh. Oh yeah. She's real rusty. She's just twisting right through that rubber. Because I feel it coming.
There it goes.
There's that. That shit's up there, and then I just gotta get that one. Also, shine your light up here.
Okay.
Just want to take a look at that front main seal. It might be seeping just a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little wet.
It is a little wet. Although there is a little bit of coolant dripping down here from
Yeah.
up there, but yeah. Meh.
Yeah.
Could use some replacing soon.
So now you just got that other bracket
Yeah,
right
it's
there?
got that one right there. And then these will come off. And then the whole, and this one. Shit. Yeah, and then these three. And then the whole thing will just fucking lift up.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
That was quick. Is it ready?
Yeah, literally just pop it out of the mix.
I think it's out on this one.
Just a few things got that out of the way. Alright, you should be able to just pull her up. Here. Alright.
Hold on.
Yeah, you kind of got to pull it literally straight up, otherwise it'll start.
Alright, well here, lift up on that side and I'll lift up on this side. Shit, what is this? Oh. Hold on.
Is there like a mount?
Yeah.
Is that for the wiring harness?
Yeah.
Here.
That needs to... Where's that flathead? Oh, here.
Oh no, yeah, I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, it's just one of these guys.
Shit. There it is.
There you are.
There you are.
Oh yeah, I was just gonna put it down, but
Yeah.
there it is.
Fuck yeah, stock Miata
Old
radiator. Sure, yeah.
Radiator shroud. Nice. Adhesive screws. Nice. Mishimoto Radiator. Nice. Hey, you got a little penguin.
Fuck
I
yeah.
had one of those in my car, my red and
I had one of these hanging on my window when I did my radiator on my E36.
Yeah.
Mishimoto.
Let's see about this.
Alright, so old radiator's out. Got the AC condenser right there. The fan shroud and the Mishimoto radiator are for the most part assembled. But right now, Kevin, what are you doing?
Just cleaning up the side mounts for on the radiator. They're a little crusty, so might as well get a little stuff off of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm doing the thermostat. Oh, there we go. Fucker's on me, dude.
It's literally all it takes.
Jesus Christ. Here it is.
Just gotta remember that part's
New
fixed
thermostat.
before it's even connected.
Oh, so this is made so I can peel this. And then I think it places down and it sticks.
Yeah.
Probably want to stick it onto that.
Probably not. Probably run some, since this is the part that likes to warp, usually like to put a little bit of gasket maker
on that
part.
So probably stick this on here.
Yeah, I'll go grab my gasket.
Alright. Well.
Whole works should be ready.
Alright.
Just set her on in.
Yeah, if you want to try to pick it up from that side, and I'll take it from this side.
Alright, so I'll kind of just go underneath that lip there. And then, can you see all the way down under there where that the bracket is? Can't? Okay. Sides, but you never see it, so.
Yeah.
This is the thing that sucks about these fucking buggers.
I think it's in.
Oh, it's close. That's in.
It's in?
We're in.
We're in, boys. We're in.
According to Merriam-Webster's definition of attend, transitive verb
Attend?
1, to be present, to go to attend a meeting,
Oh, to attend.
What?
attend the warning signs.
Here. I fucked up your phone.
What? Alright, well, it is 9 o'clock at night, and the radiator is in the Mishimoto. Big moves right there. Big moves. Now we're gonna get the rest of this stuff on and see what's popping. Alright, well, what's going on, guys? The radiator is in with all the hoses on for the good part. We're ready to be filling this thing up.
Yep.
We still have the heater core hoses and then that hose down there, right there.
That one.
So we still got those to do, but we're gonna be doing those on a different day. So, is there any key tips to bleeding a Miata radiator?
You need a thing to hold water, like a big ass fucking funnel. You know.
Oh yeah, we don't have one of those.
Don't have one of those. Well,
We're gonna have to do this. We're gonna have to do the old school way.
Yup.
Just filling it up and letting it bubble and.
Yep. Alrighty, there it is.
Fun.
Fun shit. Do it.
Let's do it. I'll go grab the key.
Oh boy. The precision is key.
Dude, you're killing that. That's like dead on. That's perfect, dude.
I'm trying. Not
Mr. Steady Hands.
to spill. I can't believe I just did that. One entire bottle, no spills.
No
Oh.
spill. No spill.
One entire bottle, no spill.
Dude, ain't that some shit, dude?
That's some shit.
Let's get a little full. Oh, there it is. Oh! 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 like out of gas. Yeah.
Oh fuck!
Rip.
That's the worst shot so far.
Rip.
Miatas are some of the easiest fucking cars to bleed to cool.
It's like an E36. Because an E36, you got a little screw that automatically bleeds it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta keep filling it.
God. Well, good thing you don't have a fucking under tray.
Yeah, for real.
I'd be searching for that for days. It was my car.
Oh, should I check if we're leaking? Oh, it's all dry down here. Fuck yeah. It's all dry. Cool. Nice.
Hell yeah.
Nice. So Kevin and I decided to pull some of my Civic 13s out of the garage and put them on the back of this thing.
Yeah, dude.
Like, these are 155 80 13s. They're tiny. We're ready to rip, dude.
Oh yeah.
Ready to rip. Dude, that was a good one, dude.
Yeah, that
we
was
had both of them ripping,
oh, yeah.
dude. Here, I don't know where I'm going, but we're going left here.
We're going left. We're taking a left.
Let's see. Oh, dude, look at all the Humvees, dude. Those are dope.
Hell yeah.
Holy shit, they got a lot of shit there, dude.
Hell yeah. It's just a man waxing his Tahoe. You know.
Just a man waxing his Tahoe.
You know. By hand.
Yeah.
Super hard shell turtle wax. Old man's favorite. Oh my god, Hayden. You're a fucking madman.
We're getting the fuck out of here right now, dude.
Yeah, I would.
Oof. Oof.